Kahle ku.
Akube kuhle. Akubeni kuhle makhehla kudede kumnyama kuvela ukukhanya. Yebo sanibona. Ah, welcome you back. Welcome you back. You get. Njengoba nazi igama lami uMoyane insizwa kaNkosi. Ngithanda ukunibikelela futhi phakathi kwamagolube. Ngisesigodlweni saka. Manje ke masithi ke today I like to talk about, I like to call it a golden age. You get. A golden age simply means that each and every generation has their own ways of doing things. You get. Now, into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi angeke the 21st centuries angeke ikwazi ukwenza izinto kufana na the first centuries or the 13th centuries because of us peeling ngokufana and things revolve, things change isikhathi masihluka sihamba namadlozi ashintsha the way bayenza izinto ngakhona. They adapt izinto, ba-adapter the surroundings, ba-adapter the way we talk, ba-adapter the way we touch, ba-adapter everything that we do, you get. So now whatever that we do in this present moment hayifani nalento kade ziyenzwa mandulo the 13 or the first or the whatever that you can call it, because of izinto zishintshe ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ke manje abantu nabo even the skin tone asifani nalabantu laba kade baphila mandulo, because now things that we eat, things that we drink, things that we do, you get, the way we communicate ayifani nalezi zinto lezi kade bazenza ngalezo nsuku lezo. So now what I'm trying to say here is that people fail to understand and babalekela the spirituality because of balahlekiswa abanye abantu because of bacabanga ukuthi isiphiwo sabo and indabuko yabo it's quite sinister, you get. So now the problem lies there because of if you do not follow your spirituality, you are a lost soul. Actually, you are truly a lost soul because of now you totally do not know yourself. You get what I'm saying? Everything that we have right now, it was created by heaven and earth. It was created by people meaning in a sense of what you get. Before certain things ziba khona, they started dreaming of certain things, you get. Typical example, your candle. Before i-candle izoba khona umuntu uphuphe ukuthi kumele kube ne-light kanje, umuntu ube waba nomcabango ukuthi kumele kube ne-light kanje, you understand. So now they created that ngezinye zezinto zange vele sekune-light kanjalo, whatever that you can call it, umuntu vele waletha ikhandlela kanjalo. It was created by dreams, it was created by spirituality, you understand. Everything connects from the head, from the heart and the soul. Kuba yinto eyi-one angazi ngangithola na. So now izinto kade ziyenzwa mandulo manje ngithanda ukunishaya ngokuthi did you know that in the 13th centuries or BC, before that, whatever that we call body parts, bona amadlozi wakudala, they didn't call that body parts. They had their own language, they had their own ways of pinpoint ukuthi le yini, you understand. Everything that we have emzimbeni wethu bona kade bayibiza ngendlela yabo, you understand. So now that's why some things emaphupheni wethu ziyareflecta nomzimba wethu, you understand, because of now that's yile ndlela le bayi-understanda ngakhona ukuthi-ke if ngizombonisa into ekanje mina ngiyi-understanda ngento ekanje, yena sekazobona abuze umuntu owaziyo ukuthi isho ukuthini le nto le, ngoba because now le nto le ihlobane ne-spirituality, you understand. So now what I'm trying to say here is that even the language lesikhuluma hayifani ne-language yabo. For instance, your cavemen, they have their own ways of speaking. Your Khoisans, they still have that language mandulo, you understand, because now bona basalandelela amadlozi wabo. I-language le esikhulumayo i-language yebo it was invented by people ize nabanye abantu yaqoqwa kwaze kwaba namagama like your Shakespeare invented words, you understand. So khona abanye abantu ba-invente ama-words because of azange, they didn't just come up with words, they came up with words because of whatever that bebayizwa ngaleso sikhathi leso ihambisana ngisho nomoya and the soul and the spirituality, you understand. So now that's why sikhuluma lento esikhulumayo, because of everything that has been happening since then is been invented by spirituality. Everything esiyenzayo silawulwa amadlozi, silawulwa umoya, you understand. Nothing comes like just like that, you understand. So now isebenza ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ke manje bona kade baba nenkulumo yabo kade bayikhuluma. So ngesinye isikhathi uzothola omunye umuntu avuke idlozi akhuluma in tongues, people will call it in tongues, kodwa khona igama lakhona eli specific. Hayi uzuma makavuka umuntu wakhona akhuphula amadlozi uzoza akhuluma in tongues like something like that. Hear the way bona kade bakhuluma ngakhona. So now thina the 21st centuries, we're teaching them how to talk, you understand. We're teaching them how to talk our language le thina abantu siphila phansi komthunzi la ngamanje esikhulumayo, you understand. Everything that we do siyaba adoptisa ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukuya so that we can understand each other, you understand. Because of now khona omunye umuntu asephehlweni uba nenkinga yokuthi ke manje akakwazi ukuqhumana namadlozi wakhe, ubona amadlozi wakhe ale, ubona amadlozi wakhe ale. But now they fail to understand that ukuze bahlangane nabantu labo kumele kube ne-communication. Communication is very important kumuntu onedlozi. Communication is very important kumuntu osebenzisa umoya, you understand. Idlozi izokutshela izinto ngesinye isikhathi zokukhuluma ngama-sign languages and all that. You need to understand ukuthi uthini. That's why kumele uhlale uphahla ngaso sonke isikhathi uxoxisane nalo, utshele ukuthi uphila kuphi kanjani, uphila kanjani, so that nalo izokwazi uku-adopta le nto uyenzayo, ukuthi lingezi ngenkulumo yakhe yakudala lize ngenkulumo yamanje, so that whatever liyafuna ukukunika yona akunike kahle, ngoba amadlozi have this mentality yokuthi whatever le bakunika yona bese awuyenzi, bacabanga ukuthi awufuni, you understand. Because of why? Understandani, there's no communication between you two guys, you understand. So now it's very important for you people that to understand communication. It's very, very important. It's extremely important edlozini, because now here's the way babaxoxa nathi ngakhona. That's why amaphupho wethu amaningi aba vague, is because of we do not understand their communication skills, you understand. That's icala khona lapho. Before sizoya kuphi ukuthi ufuna ukunikani, ufuna ukunikani, baqala ngenkulumo oqala, you understand. So kuphuma ukuthi uphethwe amadlozi maphi, you understand. If uphethwe amadlozi of the 21st centuries, definitely sure they're gonna bazokhuluma the way sikhuluma ngakhona, bazoyenza the way senza izinto ngakhona, you understand. Amaphupho aza ngenye indlela exakile ngoba yila badlule khona, yila izinto kade zenzakala ngakhona, the way kade baphila ngakhona, you understand. So now if for instance most of the people banokuphupha the unicorn, unicorn has existed before, you understand. Unicorn is a spiritual animal, you understand. So now bakutshengisa ukuthi kade baphila nani, kuphi kanjani, i-unicorn le beyenzani ngakuphi, and umsebenzi wabo kuyini. That's why abanye abantu babona i-unicorn, because le nto ike yabakhona kulo mhlaba lo siphila kuwo, yaze yaba extinct because of what? Amadlozi kade baphila nalezi zinto lezo, baphila nazo, basebenza nazo. Manje bakutshengisa ukuthi ke manje uphethwe idlozi eliphi, because if uzobona unicorn it doesn't mean that ayikaze ibe khona, ike yaba khona, bakutshengisa ukuthi amadlozi aphuma kuphi and kade baphila na. Now you need to respect that, and you need to know where you come from, uphethwe idlozi eliphi, you understand. So now amadlozi athanda ukusitshengisa kanjalo ukuthi baqhamukaphi bayaphi. If you do not understand, ulandela iphupho lakho so that you can understand ukuthi uphethwe idlozi eliphi, liyaphi kanjani, you understand. So now abanye abantu bazophupha ama-dinosaur, yebo, abanye bazophupha amabhabhuni ngenye indlela, you understand. So bakutshengisa ukuthi after that thina sizibonile lezinto lezi, we saw all those things, so now we're showing you ukuthi where we come from and what you need to do. You understand? In each and every dream there's a lesson and there's a path khona indlela abakutshengisana ukuthi kumele kuyenze, so you need to listen to that at all times because of idlozi lona ngokwalo likhuluma ngenye indlela. So mina into engithanda ukunixitshela yona nginifundisa yona ukuthi lalelani amadlozi wethu awaphili njengathi, amadlozi wethu aphila ngendlela yabo le kade baphila ngayo, so bafuna ukuthi whatever le thina siphila ngakhona kumele siyenze whatever le kade baphila ngayo kube into eyi-one eyethu neyabo, kube into eyi-one so that sizokwazi ukuphila kahle, ngoba bazokuhlukumeza amadlozi babona ukuthi awufuni ukwenza into zabo ekubeni understand. The most important thing here is to understand. You understand? Yes. To understand. Understanding. Listening is a skill. Know how to communicate nedlozi lakho. For instance, omunye umuntu angeke akwazi, let's say for instance idlozi lakho lomunye umuntu ufuna ukuthi makaphahla ashaye izandla, elinye idlozi angeke omunye umuntu afune ukuthi ashaye izandla because of the way bona bafuna ngakhona, the way baba-communicate ngakhona. You understand? Amanye amadlozi bafuna ukuthi before uphahla uqule, amanye amadlozi before ukhuluma nabo kumele ushise certain things. You understand? Amanye amadlozi before uphahla bafuna ukuthi ubahlabele something, amanye amadlozi before ukukhuluma nabo khona kumele kube some sort of acknowledgement of some sort ukuthi bakwazi ukurecognize ukuthi this is our child. You understand? So now isebenza kanjalo. So ke people, let's understand izinto zamadlozi, let's understand the way of doing things, let's understand ukuthi bona babuyaphi ukuze bafike la. You understand? Nawe muntu maqeda ukushona umoya wakho uyazulazula ngoba kumele uye kimi. You understand? Umndeni nomndeni unendawo yabo ngale. You understand? So now mandlule emhlabeni umqondo wakho uzophila njengedlozi. You understand? So it's very important for you guys to understand communication. It's very important. Communication is very important. Asiphile njengabo. Only thing that thina kumele si-understand is that kwamele si-adapt to whatever they have, whatever they're showing us, siyenze nalento siphila ngayo, siyenze ukuthi kube into eyi-one so that sizokwazi uku-understandana nabo, siphile siphokophele, ngoba people basuka bayenza izinto ezi-wrong because of amadlozi achaza into ekanje bese yena wenza into ekanje kodwa because of why aka-understand. You understand? So ke it's very important to understand the way bakhuluma ngakhona, the way bakubonisa izinto ngakhona, the way bagqoka ngakhona, the way izinto lezi abakutshengisa zona ukuthi zinjani. That's the most important part. So now ningahlali phansi ni-relax ukuthi hayi ngizobona khona, ngizobona ukuthi kuzoyenzakala, ngizobona ukuthi amadlozi azongilethela. Each and every dream has a lesson you need to learn and you need to understand. You understand? So now generation to generation things change. Even nathi the way senza izinto ngakhona zizoshintsha to 10 generations to come. Angeke bayenze the way thina senza ngakhona, izinto ziya-evolve, ziyakhula. You understand? So nabo amadlozi kade baphila the way baphila ngakhona, baza nale knowledge yabo bayiletha la ngakithi, and then ke bafuna ukuthi siphilele kanjalo. Even nangehlahla abantu bazonda imithi ngenye indlela exakile yokuthi ke manje ngathi it's a sinister thing, ngathi it's a bad thing, kanti no, umuthi akusinto ebhedayo, umuthi into ephilisayo, siphile kanje siphefumula kanje because of these trees. You understand? So amadlozi kube kwaba naleyo light leyo ebanika ukuthi if wathatha isihlahla esikanje uzophila mntana ekhehla. Turn this into something engathi kuwumuthi, some medication of some sort ukuthi uzokwazi ukuphilisa i-1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. You understand? So now ningangena umoya oziyela le bathi imithi into ebhedayo, neyiwasho lezi esisebenzisayo, some of iwasho ziphuma khona kule hlahla lezi engithi ayithola, ziyahlanganiswa kube yisiwasho. Phakathi kunomuntu kunesihlahla esithize. That's why abantu bababhilive esiwashweni kakhulu, kanti aba-understand ukuthi isiwasho sona naso qobo lwakho siphuma esihlahleni, siphuma etsheni kwelinye ilitshe, or siphuma emfuleni omunye. I don't know how to put it, but now siphuma komunye umfula, siphuma kwelinye ilitshe, siphuma kwenye intaba, siphuma kwenye cave ukuze kusifike kulesiwasho sipinki siphephuka. You understand? Ziyahlanganiswa lezi zinto ukuthi zibukeke the way thina sifuna ukuthi zibukeke ngakhona. You understand? Kodwa deep down khona la indabuko iqhamuka khona, iphuma esihlahleni kulweli ngoba siphefumula kanje because of ilesi hlahla leso. So do not take advantage of your heritage. Do not take advantage of your traditions. It's very important ukuthi ungalahleki as umuntu ophila phansi komthunzi. You might be white, you might be black, you might be Indian. Follow your traditions and your heritage. You go far with your life. I salute. Thank you.